I played the ukulele. These are the only chords that you need in order to do this song. But I'm going to show you two kind of more sophisticated little changes to throw in there with an A minor 7 or an E minor 7. So let's go look at that strum for this. If a chord looks like this, no color coding, it gets an island strum. So on a D, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If a chord is in yellow, it only gets 2 beats. And you have some options. You can do a down, down, up, which is just the first 2 beats of the island strum, and you stop there. Well, you don't stop, you move on to the next chord. So you could also do 2 down strums. So let me show you what it sounds like, a D going into a D with just a 2-beat strum. It sounds like this. Island strum and down, down, up. Now I'll do it with just 2 downs. 1, 2, and here I go. Island strum and D, D. The choice is yours. The verses follow this pattern. Listen, and then we'll do it together. So it's D and down, down, up, G, down, up, island strum, D again. And the verses are 4 repetitions of that. So now that you've heard it, I'm going to dial back the tempo a little. Let's do it really nice and slowly, getting all those neural pathways in line. 1, 2, ready, begin. D, island strum, and D, down, up, G, down, D, island strum, D, island strum, D, island strum, and D, down, up, G, down, up, D, island strum, D, island strum. 2 more times. D, island strum, and D, down, up, G, down, up, D, island strum. Last time. D, island strum, and D, down, up, G, down, D, island strum, and D, island strum. So let's practice the verse. We see there at the end that same little D, G, and D from the chorus. Oops, no, from the verse. We're playing the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. A, and G, and D, and A, and G, and D, and D, D, down, up, G, down, up, D, D, down, up, G, down, up, D. Now that can get you through the entire song, and we've got the major bones, mechanics, foundation, whatever you want to call it, in this song. So let me show you some more sophistication. In those lines in the verses and then bottom of the chorus, we're going to take out the G as a 2-beat strum and add an extra chord. I like adding an E minor 7 because from G to E minor 7, you've got G, pick up this finger, you have an E minor 7. So it's just an easy transformation. Then we have to pop back over to a D. So let's just practice going G, E minor, and D, E minor 7 that is. Do it again. G, E minor 7, D. Listen to it as I do just one line of it nice and slowly. 1, 2, here I go. D, down, up, G, E minor 7, D. It's subtle, I know, but it's there. Let's do it together. 1, 2, here we go. D, 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 and D, D, down, up, G, E minor 7, D, D, down, up, G, E minor 7, D, D, And so because the verses repeat that over and over, you can lock into a groove, and it gives you plenty of chance to practice it. Oh, but then when you get to the chorus and you change things up and then you have to get back to it, well, that's a trick. So let's try that trick. The chorus together. 1, 2, here we go. And the G, the D, and A, G, and D, and D, D. Here it comes. D down up G minor 7, D, D down up G minor 7, D. You may need to loop these just to practice, or practice on your own, whatever you need to do in order to get that. And I've got timestamps to help you with that. Don't forget, YouTube has speed control. So if I'm too fast or too slow, you can change that. You have the power. Well, lastly, if going to the E minor 7 to the D is a challenge, well, you could substitute it for an A minor 7. And then it's all fingers are up, so you go G. And that might be easier for some of you. So let's try the verse with an A minor 7. And these little subtle things, you'll be playing along, people go like, oh, that sounds cool, what are you doing? Trust me, they will. 1, 2, here we go. A minor 2. G, A minor 7, D, D, D down up G, A minor D, and D, D down up G, A minor 7, D. And let's do the chorus. The sound isn't nearly as subtle with the A minor 7. I can't decide which one I like. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments. 1, 2, the chorus, here we go. A and A, G and D, and A and G and D, and D, D, here it comes, D and G, A minor 7, D, D down up G, A minor 7. Well, let's do a play along. I want to thank all my patrons, because I simply could not be doing this without your financial support and also your encouragement. Oh my gosh, the community is amazing. Thank you so very much. And they get the chord chart, and all these little modifications are all in there. In fact, there's 3 different versions of the chord chart: plain, E minor 7, A minor 7. Our starting vocal pitch is an A. Love. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Here we go. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. I can't wait to get this out to my ukulele group that plays in nursing homes in Kentucky. Oh my gosh. I know that the nursing home folks are just going to eat this up. So I'm looking forward to performing this with my lovely crew. Thank you so much for all the joy that you've given me. And they're all patrons too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I've got another Johnny Cash tune in case you want some more. Because, hey man, it's Johnny Cash. Should I do Hurt? I know he didn't. He did a cover of it, but should I do Hurt? I don't know. That's one of my favorite covers of all time.